how to create WeChat account. So if you want to create a WeChat account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WeChat application. Make sure that you install the application. After installing, you need to open, and after opening here, you need to go with sign up, which will be on the bottom. Now you can go with sign up with mobile number or your Facebook. So I'll just simply go with mobile. And here you need to sign up your mobile number, which is you need to just enter your name at first, and then your country and your region. After that, your country code and then your mobile number, and create a password. Once you've created your password, you need to accept the terms and conditions and then tap on accept and continue, which will be on the bottom. And this will take you to the security verification section. And in order to protect your account from spammers, the registration requires further verification to prove that you are a human. You need to just tap on the authenticate, and it will give you some captchas. You need to just verify, and your account will be created. After creating your account, you can go and enter your country code, enter your mobile number, accept and continue, and then enter your password. Tap on login again. And as you can see that it gives the verification again. Once you've passed the verification, you'll be logged into your account. That's how you can create your WeChat account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.